everyone, I'm Masjid Parsons with Masjid Real Estate, and today we are in Southern Highlands at one of Blue Heron's newest luxury communities, Stonewater, privately gated. Only 36 will be built, so we're excited to show you this home, so come on in and take a look. You have the option to build your own custom pool, perfect for those hot Vegas sunny days.
On a flight to space, if it meant that I can hold you closer, girl, I jump out of a plane for you and I rain for you. Like, look at I came for you. They say being in love is crazy.
Master bedroom retreat with gorgeous views of Stonewater Park and your own fabulous walk-in closet.
Just isn't cool, you know it ain't cool. I'll take 1,000 trips around the world just so I could find you, girl. Darling, I've been looking for you. Yeah, I'm looking for you. I'm looking for you. Let's get it now. I'm so up, I could be a pilot, be a pilot, be a pilot. I'm so up, I could be a pilot, beat. Let's get it now.
Cheers to your new entertainment room. You enjoyed this tour of the Blue Heron model home located here in Stonewater in Southern Highlands. This home is available for sale right now with a 1-year lease back. Contact myself, Masjid Parsons, to schedule a tour. Thank you.
Not just trying to catch a flight.